Hello, English learners. Welcome back to Story Time on Everyday English. This is episode 15. Today, we will listen to a very, very long and interesting story about a boy named Alex and his big problem. He lost his favorite toy. This story is clear, fun, and easy to understand for everyone. We will listen very slowly. You will learn many new words about places in a house and actions. Get ready to listen for a long, long time. Let's start the very, very long story. Alex is a small boy. Alex is only 5 years old. He has short brown hair and bright blue eyes. Alex has a favorite special toy. It is a small, shiny red car. The red car is fast. The red car has big black wheels. Alex loves his red car more than any other toy. He takes it everywhere. It is a sunny morning. It is 9 o'clock. Alex is playing in his bedroom. He is playing with his red car. He makes vroom sounds. He drives the red car on the floor. He drives it under his bed. He drives it over his rug. Then, Alex hears his mother call, "Alex, time for breakfast." Alex quickly puts his red car down. He thinks, "I will play with it later." He runs to the kitchen for breakfast. After breakfast, Alex returns to his bedroom. He wants to play with his red car again. He looks on the floor. No red car. He looks under his bed. No red car. He looks on his rug. No red car. Alex feels a little bit sad. He thinks, "Oh no, where is my red car? My special red car is lost." Alex starts his big search. His mission is to find the lost red car. First, Alex looks in his bedroom again. He looks very carefully. He opens his toy box. He looks under his pillows. He looks in his closet. He takes out other toys, a blue robot, a yellow ball, a big teddy bear, but no red car. The red car is not in the bedroom. Next, Alex walks to the living room. The living room is big. He looks under the big, soft sofa. He sees some dust and a small green block. No red car. He looks behind the big television. No red car. He looks under the small table. No red car. Alex feels more sad. He thinks, "My red car is not here. Where can it be?" Then Alex remembers. Sometimes he takes his red car to the kitchen. He walks to the kitchen. He looks under the big kitchen table. No red car. He looks behind the kitchen chairs. No red car. He looks in the big toy basket. No red car. Alex opens the kitchen cabinets. No red car. The kitchen is clean. Alex feels very worried now. He thinks, "My red car is really, really lost." He walks slowly to the bathroom. He sometimes plays with his small boat in the bath. He looks behind the big white bathtub. No red car. He looks under the sink. No red car. The bathroom is clean. Alex's mother sees him. She sees Alex is sad. She asks, "What is wrong, Alex? Why are you sad?" Alex says, "Mommy, my red car is lost, my special red car." His mother smiles gently. She says, "Let's think, Alex. Where did you play last?" Alex thinks very hard. "I played with it in my bedroom, and then I came to breakfast." Alex walks back to his bedroom. He looks at the room again. He looks at his small wooden desk. He sees his coloring book. He sees his crayons. And then he sees something red. It is the red car. It is on the desk. It was under a big book. Alex remembers. "Ah, I put it there before breakfast." Alex is very, very happy. He picks up his red car. He hugs the red car. He says, "My red car, you are found." He feels so good. He is not sad anymore. He is a very happy boy. Alex starts to play with his red car again. He makes vroom, vroom, vroom sounds. He is playing carefully now. He will not lose his red car again. That was a very long and exciting story about little Alex and his lost red car. We hope you enjoyed this long story and learned many new words about places in a house and actions. Listening to stories in English for a long time is the best way to improve your English. Keep practicing, keep listening, and keep enjoying our lessons. If you liked this long video, please give us a big thumbs up, subscribe to Everyday English for more great stories, and share it with your family and friends. Thank you for learning with us, and we will see you in the next video.